Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a Christmas illustration, another one because I love doing these so much. And also make sure to check out my Redbubble store. It's called Lavender Co. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. Yeah, so let's get on with the video. Lights, but just add some more light. And here we're going to draw a house. So first we're gonna do like a line and then another line that's symmetrical to it. And then we're gonna add another line and then we're gonna add a triangle. Like this is just a draft. So it doesn't have to be perfect. And most houses do look like, I guess they look so similar, like it looks like nothing is actually different. So this is pretty much like the base drawing of what we're gonna go with. I'm going to do that. A little brushing up. So I do like this, and I'm just gonna start like making this look so much better, like brushing it up, erasing the parts that I don't like. This will be on my Redbubble store too if you want to buy my art. I started doing that recently because I wanted my art to be worth something to me. So like, why not? And this is like what I'm going with right now. Like making some roofing details. I want this to look like kind of like a Christmas house because I love Christmas. I do tons and tons of reels, but no one really sees the real work behind each art. It takes 30 minutes or 40 minutes, or it can even last for 2 hours. I know it's upside down, but it's way easier to work vertically. And this coloring is gonna take ages because there's like 100 lines. There's an easier way to do this, but this is the easiest way that I find it. One day I will learn how to draw an amazing car and then I can add that. Or I can just add anything you like. Doesn't matter. You're drawing with me and we're having some fun. I also want to know if you guys have any questions for me because I wanted to do like a Q&A video, but I don't have any questions, so why not ask it to me? I mean, I am a stranger after all, but I'm a pretty good person. See the reflection. So okay, that took quite a long time, but it's totally worth it. So now I kind of want to do like a triangle window, but like, should I do that? Yeah, maybe. just think they're cool. Yeah, so we're just gonna add a triangle window because who doesn't like some natural lighting in their sunroof or whatever much color. So I actually like that a lot. Sometimes you don't have time, brothers, so you just have to paste it. And it looks good, doesn't it? So now we're gonna focus on putting that together, and I think it looks good. It doesn't have to be perfect, but like we're just gonna put like thing, and the door will be somewhere here, maybe. Don't worry, we will color all of this and put it all together. We have a little thing there. We're gonna do a door there inside of the, and a little hole. So you can this is probably an easier way to do the door. There is 4 sections, kind of like a flat door. I don't know. Just do a circle there. That is the door. Adorable door. That is the house of my dreams. I feel like I'm missing something. Like a path. I guess we're gonna add let's start coloring it until I come with an idea on how exactly put it under. I like coloring it, but I think this is gonna take forever. I do like this red. It's not too red. I'm just gonna duplicate this and then use the selection tool because, the color dropping tool, because this is gonna take forever. Because it usually does. This is like quickety quick. We are gonna add more thought like near the door, but this is like a close second. Just watch here, the satisfying. This is the easiest way to do it. You just select it, and that is also a good plot, so you can just, or you can always check out my second channel, Arts and Shorts. I don't think a lot of people know about it, but I put like good content on both the channels. So yeah, that is, and this is basically like what I call my coloring layer, where I do all the coloring. So I wanted to add like light and dark blue. Or I can just drop it like this, and then add a lighter blue. And then the house is gonna be like a shade of blue. Yeah, let's do just plain colors because it doesn't have to be complicated, does it? Brown door. And then a kind of like this. And we also want to do like a gray theme jiggy. And of course, we need a color drop. Color drop this, the white. I'm gonna do that real quickly. Everything is just coming together with this house. I know the door kind of looks awkward, but like the house kind of actually looks pretty nice, doesn't it? I kind of want to add a design in the house because it needs a little Christmas tree after I finish doing all this. Even without coloring, this takes so much more time. Okay, we're gonna do a design with this color. We're gonna do a snowflake. Don't do rotational because that is not a snowflake. Okay, that is as basic as it's gonna get. Maybe not this color. That looks hard because it's not thick. So clearly just a thicker one. I kind of like this a lot. I'm gonna duplicate it and use it later, so make them this smaller. But I'm duplicating it. I think this should be smaller. These are actually good sizes for snowflake stickers. We're gonna add some snow because after all this is a Christmas illustration. So we're gonna up the size. I don't know if I like the path. I really don't like it. It just looks so weird. I don't know. I just don't like it. I don't know why I added it in the first place. I just have to leave the path. Maybe add some snow on it. I don't know. I don't feel like this illustration. Maybe I do. It does make it look a little less horrible, I guess. Maybe add some like blue, some like color. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. It does feel like home, doesn't it? Last but not least, this is basically the finished look of today's illustration. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my store on Redbubble, which is Lavender Co. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.